Okay, you said that at Wakiso district. Wakiso district, that's fine. The council of Atuuse. You just permit us for a while. We shall wait and
Good morning, Chairperson. My name is Okukimanyo, Tony, representing Wakiso and Nyoka Sub-County. I am here submitting my expression of interest on the position of Chairman LC3.
Chairman, Wakiso Town Council.
Wakiso Sub-County, Nyoka.
Say there was 5. I'm gonna put 10. This is chairman. Wakiso. So we can. Is it on? Go ahead. It's not on. You said I switched it off.
Good morning, Madam Chair.
Good morning, sir.
I observe the whole protocol. Madam Chair, my name is Saru Francis, Councillor Kibira SL at Machinde Sabago Municipal Council. Madam Chair, I'm here to submit in my expression of interest form vying for the position of Councillor Kibira Ed Kamada Sales at Massaja Division Council. I beg to submit.
This is who I am. Thank you. LC3 at a council called Massaja Division, right? Okay.
Same.
You will be communicating the next stage in the level of LC3. Masanja, it's in the same book.
Greeting, so may the protocol remain observed. My name is Karen Moses Weso. Here, submitting my interest expression forms on the position, expression of interest forms on the position of a direct councillor in the electoral area of Chikajo and Masajja division.
Please submit. Chikajo and Masajja? You're in Masajja division?
Yes.
Please go ahead. Wait, no.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Nabukeera, the woman in Mukono district. I'm here to express my interest for the position of woman in Mukono district. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please go ahead and submit your documents. Chairperson.
Organize these papers in order. Organize them. Somebody is recipient in the meantime.